In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause email syncing in Pipedrive CRM. If you're using Pipedrive's email sync, you might want to temporarily stop emails from flowing into your account. Maybe you're testing a new inbox, cleaning up your pipeline, or you simply don't want new emails to appear in Pipedrive for a while. Whatever the reason, pausing email sync is quick and easy once you know where to look. And in this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account and you're on any main screen, like your pipeline or deals view. We're going to start by going to your personal settings. Look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile area. This is usually shown as your name or as a profile icon depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile area to open the drop-down menu. This is where Pipedrive keeps options that are specific to you rather than to the whole company account. In that drop-down, find and click on Personal Preferences. This will open a new section where you can manage things like your personal settings, notifications, and most importantly for us, your email sync. Once you're in the Personal Preferences section, look for the Email Sync option in the side menu or the list of tabs. Go ahead and click on Email Sync. This page is dedicated to managing how your email account connects to Pipedrive. If your email is currently connected, you'll typically see information about the email account that's syncing, as well as options to adjust or disconnect that connection. On this email sync page, locate the Stop Syncing button. This is the control that temporarily pauses the connection between your email provider and Pipedrive. When you click Stop Syncing, Pipedrive will stop pulling in new emails from your connected inbox. Existing emails that were already synced will remain visible in Pipedrive, but no new messages will be brought in until you decide to re-enable syncing. Before you click, just remember that while syncing is paused, any new emails sent to your regular inbox won't appear in Pipedrive. You can still access them directly in your email provider, such as your usual webmail or email app, but they simply won't be mirrored into the CRM. Now, click the Stop Syncing button. After a moment, you should see a confirmation or a change in the status, indicating that the sync is no longer active. If at any point you want to resume, you'll come back to the same email sync page and turn syncing back on, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully paused email syncing in Pipedrive CRM using just a few clicks.